What is up, everyone? It's good to be back. Today is June 5th. It's currently 7:34. I just wanted to do just a little overview of what happened during the Asian session so far. We won't be doing any trades. I did take a little nap and my alarm didn't go off, so I overslept a little too much. So anywho, I'm not really a fan of trading Asian session anyway, but I just wanted to knock a stream out for Monday, just to show you what's been going on for USD JPY on the upcoming week, on what we could possibly expect. So here so far we've had USD JPY dropping, so coming from the 3 o'clock candle, which is the 7 o'clock opening. So once 7 o'clock comes through for Central Standard Time, that's whenever this candle is going to open. That's our 3 o'clock candle for the GMT time at the bottom here. So that's how all of our times are going to line up if we go from the times at the bottom. So if you mark out 3, 4, and 5, it'll make a little more sense. 3, 4, and 5. So you have 7, 8, and 9 o'clock. That is your entire Asian session. So now you can see that we've had movement in this range so far, and we should be breaking out of it to head further down. Pull up our line chart. Next area would more than likely be here. Is it going to break it, or is it going to reject it? In this situation, it looks like it's going to... there's really no telling yet. It could possibly reject because we can close above this. But really, this is just a setup. We have 4 o'clock, which is the new 4-hour candle. So let's get some more information there. Yeah, really, our entry would have been here. So whenever price started closing outside of this range here. So as soon as price broke out, that would have been an entry. And then approaching the Asian session volume. So the Asian session volume pushed on the 3 o'clock candle. And then we still have the 4-hour candle, and then the 9 o'clock candle that opens up for 5. But this could just possibly consolidate there because we've had a movement so far. But just like them all, more than likely this is going to push through. As you can see the structures here. $10 pips, exactly. So the market's already moved that 10 pips that we normally look for. I mean, it was exactly 10 pips. From here to the very bottom, 10 pips. So it doesn't even pay to worry about a trade. If you see the movement already happen, more than likely it's done. The trade comes with you being in the market before the market actually pushes. So the more you trade during the session, the more you're just going to mess yourself up because the session's already done. The session is only to accumulate. The banks and institutions that are trading during this time is accumulating money so that the market can move it later on. So here we've had market accumulation from New York to now to Asian session for it to push. Once it pushed, now Asian session kicks in and is now accumulating more. So now price is just going to accumulate within this range. Clear. Okay. Now it's just going to consolidate here. This was the range. This was the spot where price is now accumulating. It can't close in or out. Once price breaks out, that's whenever there is just a possibility. Because right now we have no clear sign of where price is going to go next because we're just accumulating. Price has already moved what it's supposed to move. That 10 pips is all you're going to get, especially for Asian session. And that's really why I don't like trading Asian, because you have such little movements, even smaller than your New York on a average day. So let's check out GBP. GBP, look, major consolidation. This looks like crap. Major consolidation. Yeah, so we definitely want to stay away from GBP, JPY for right now. There is nothing there for us. Very, very choppy. XRP USD sitting at 66 cents. And that is consolidation right there. Anything, we'll see it drop lower if it has to. If the price has to drop lower, we will. But we have to see price close above here. We have to see it go back above 97 cents for this to start taking off, because we're just retesting. It has never retested any of these areas once it broke out. So that's pretty much what we're doing now. It had to break here to push up, and then it's coming back to retest, and now it's going to consolidate here to push up again. The market doesn't just move in one direction all the time. It has to move, distribute, accumulate, come back, do its little thing, distribute, accumulate, distribute, accumulate. Everybody that's in the market is going to be there forever, especially if the big hands can shake you out. XRP is a long-term investment, not short-term. So, hey, if the big guys have to wait another 5 to 7 years before the smaller people are shaken out good enough to where they can say, okay, yeah, I think the price is good enough, then that's what they'll do. They will wait 5 to 7 years. Like, they have no problem doing that. We're just in the market. We're just there. We're a bunch of peons. But to them, they're waiting for those special prices, limited edition XRP, waiting for all of the retail traders to be out. They don't want us being rich. So hey, they'll kick it back for another 5 to 7 years. Hope that all the retail traders get out in the meantime and get screwed. So I just wanted to get on, make a little stream, kind of get an overview of what we were looking at. Price is still in a heavy consolidation area. It hasn't really gone anywhere. That'll be our even larger consolidation waiting. We have to wait for it to break outside of here. So that's just another confirmation that we would need for further direction. Until then we're just going to consolidate within those levels that we had marked earlier. But right now, I wouldn't stress about USD JPY. The price has already moved in the most probable time, 7 o'clock, which would be the 3 o'clock candle at the bottom of your screen. Price moved, and it moved all the way down to the take profit we would have once price broke out of its consolidation. And that is 10 pips. At 110.806. There, that would be 10 pips from the break. And that would actually be a wick fill to the left. So this wick was filled. But that'll do for this stream. It doesn't pay for us to stress on analyzing, getting in any trades, because a Asian session doesn't normally move a whole lot. What you see now is probably what you'll get for Asian session, and getting in now is just roadkill. So that's gonna be all. That's gonna be the whole overview. Nothing too special. Want to keep it short and sweet, and just pumping out some content now. We're gonna be doing streams Monday 7 p.m. to Thursday 5 p.m. We don't trade on Fridays, but we will be doing New York and Asian session trading all throughout the week. Sundays and Mondays aren't the best because that's the beginning of the week. We want the market to kind of level out before we start getting in. So come Tuesday, we'll do it New York session. Mondays, only Asian. Tuesday, New York, Asian. Wednesday, New York, Asian. Thursday, New York, Asian. And then possibly New York Fridays, depending on the day, depending on the week, how it went, just because we have some other things to do. But we will see. We're going to start trading Asian and New York just so that we can suffice for everybody, make it around the world, and provide some valuable content. So I want to thank everybody for joining. Thanks for tuning into the stream. If you could, like and subscribe. We have the button right here on the left side of the screen. Just click that. Just a quick click of the mouse, and you'll be subscribed and a member of the YouTube family. You will now be a Goldcoin member. So just go ahead and give that little button a click. Check our description in the link. Check our links in the description below and become a member of our Discord as well. And that'll be all. We will be catching you on the next one. Peace.